Hi, my name is JR Kuo. My mission is to inspire people to make positive changes in their life through mental health and through cultural competency. So I'm a national speaker, trainer, and coach. I founded Coffee with JR, a company that specializes providing cultural competency mental health training. I have over 15 years of experience in professional speaking. I have trained college students and professionals on mental health at over 50 different universities across the country and dozens of organizations. In addition, I have taught classes at the University of Colorado at Boulder about leadership, cultural competency, and mental health. I'm also a mental health first aid instructor. As a cultural competency trainer, I have facilitated numerous DEI workshops for Fortune 500 companies. And on top of speaking career, I have 15 years of managing and running nonprofit organizations and small businesses. As an immigrant who has struggled with immigration system, I'm passionate about advocating for immigration reform and supporting immigrants in the United States. My mental health journey as an immigrant is featured in a short documentary film called Coffee Talking Out of Mental Coffin, and also in Harvard Kennedy School's Asian American Policy Review. In 2023, I published my first research paper as one of the authors of the International Student Identities in Mental Well-Being. So last, in my latest newest project, is a theater production called Storytelling Theater. I use live theater performances as a way to inspire the audience to share about their mental health experiences, stories, and journey. So to learn more about my life story and achievements, please visit my website at Coffee with JR. Thank you.